Back again. Like Italian badge. I said this last time. Jeez. I mean, Ray Ferrari anyway. Today we're just gonna try build a base. That's my only goal. I need to like build something. I have nothing right now. I just have an island, and I have 4 days until I turn on what's called again. Whatever. Yep. I'm just gonna gather all the trees in the area. Then we're gonna get all the leaf litter and flipping burn it in a pit of fire, so I don't have to pick up any more leaf litter. Wait, I'll just clear the island today. It might be a more chill episode. Just completely clear the island of all the trees. You know. Yep. Oh my god, I love spruce. Did not mean to do that. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. Breaking all the wood. Breaking all the wood. Breaking all the wood. All of it. I'm gonna go insane. I've actually got an insane amount of stripped logs now, but because of just absolutely jamming. Wait, did I make my diamond chest plate? No, I didn't. Okay, let me do that. I'm gonna make a diamond chest plate and get a axe or sword in diamonds as well. And then hopefully I'll have 2 left for an enchanting table as soon as I get enough flipping leather. Which is what I need to collect. I need to start a farm now and get some leather. I'll do that next actually. The base building is gonna take ages because I need to find an actual inspiration for it, you know. I want to inspire it on something and make it look actually nice instead of every other base I've built ever. I want to try build some underground because I like underground bases. So we're just gonna you're being so unuseful right now. Just killing the sheep around the islands, mate. I'm trying to collect them so I can get some wool. Or what again? No idea. Beds. I need beds. That's what I got wool. Because then if I can get beds, I can kill the Ender Dragon quicker, and then we can do all of this city stuff quicker and get some more better armor, and so on and so forth. Be amazing. At some point we're gonna build a massive mob farm, so I can actually get XP without having to do some silly murder or whatever. Because they're not hard to build, and I have a lake right next to us. Babadeal. Okay, is that all the trees basically? Wait, it's this birch tree, and then we're basically good. And then we'll get all this leaf litter real quick. Okay. Get up lads, get up. Leaf litter is the worst thing in the world. I hate it so much. Crabs. Do. It's so unnecessary. How on anything have I got 3 stacks of it already? I didn't even get that much of it. Oh my god. This stuff is actually just disgusting. It's so annoying. Why am I jump? Oh. Holding the space bar on accident. Get gone. Ow. Leaflets are gone. Okay, I'll try I'll get rid of some wood some other point. I wanna start digging. And then we'll make our farm on the top. I'll make my farm up here and then I'll make a little base under here. The premise of an underground base is so much cooler to me. It always has been. It's easier to do as well. And then we'll make the farm after we make like a decently sized little hole. Oh, I'm gonna hate getting villagers here. Oh my. Yeah, I get it. I built next to a river. It was probably not a good idea. I don't know why you have to pester me on it constantly. Jesus. Why am I get rid of? Gone. Get gone. Un, deux, trois. Un, deux, trois. Un, deux, trois. Un, deux, trois. Let's go, lads. Un, deux, trois. Un, deux, trois. Sorry, that was my brother. Un, deux, trois. Oh shoot. Crabs. Crab apple. This is crab apple. Give me my shovel. Give me this. Go. Slot number 9. Place these down here. A bunch of free dirt. Win-win, I guess. But you know, I need some more torches. I want to light up the area. I don't want to pick up any of that stupid leaflet though. I'm gonna clear my inventory because I have a bunch of stuff I just don't need at all right now. Okay, logs. Yep, logs. Don't need you. We're not building right now, and I don't think we're gonna be able to build for ages because I have no idea what I should build. I think we should get some tough. That's what I think we should get. I think tough and deep slate are really good building blocks for underground bases. And you can trust me. Yep, that was tough. Okay, let's make a chest plate then, I guess. Chesty. Sticks. We have a pickaxe, so we make a I think we make a sword and then we make some leggings as well. Yep. We can make a spear and a shovel. Yeah, go on then. Yeah, go on then. We basically got all the diamond essentials. I need to make some more chests. I'll place them underground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, okay. 8 chests. Seven. 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's not. Oh, symmetrical. I hate this. I love when buildings are symmetrical. I need to fix it. I think the right word symmetrical. It's, yeah, I don't care. Whatever word it is, it's not. I'm not. I have an axe. What am I doing? Okay. Mine. Chests here. How? Oh, one there. Wah. Boom. Bing bang bing. And then yeah. I want to try and make a bunch of different corridors, different kinds of rooms. Okay, now we'll make our farm, I guess. That was a voice crack and a half. Jesus. I guess. Oh my god, did he act? Oh my god! No! I had one sheep, you flipping melt. I had one sheep. One. That was it. And you killed it. Absolute fatty bum. I'm going to tame him now. I'm going to force you to be my pet. You're mine now, buddy. Sorry. That's the bias to 12. Dubious. Actually, a Sir Dubious to 12. That's what we're naming him. Let me make a sign so I don't forget his name. Sir Dubious 12. Oh shoot, 3. Sir Dubious. Oh shit. Dubious. Wait, what's 12? When it be? Alexa, what's 10 in Roman numerals?
10 in Roman numerals is X.
Okay, X. I, right. Cheers. So dubious to 12. So dubious to 12. Okay, we'll make our farm now. So we need to make. Give me one. Oh, come on. That's one. Need these. I've got 2 sticks. 6 sticks actually. Cool. Iron hoe. It's despicably. What did I just do? Okay, Jesus. Okay, farm. Oh, come on. It's all gonna get in the way, innit? I have to get rid of all of it. Ah. Pig. This is why we hate leaf litter, lads. You're John Pork. Me and John Pork, bro. You go way back. You never heard of John Pork Business Express, man? Raynor Express or whatever. I don't even know. God, this is so long. That's what she said. It's not, but yeah. And that's because she doesn't exist. Jesus. Second, fill that. That's what she said again. Fill that. Oh, come on. Hey, the only thing leaflet is actually used for is compost, which might be useful. 2. Oh, crap. Oh my god, I just clocked I could do that, couldn't I? Clock it. I could just do this. That's so much easier. I'm such a numbskull. Hopefully it doesn't knock off my sugarcane now, because that wouldn't be fun. Wait, let me make a compost barrel. I'll make a barrel for my compost stuff. Okay, that or a chest. Let's make a chest. I can't be bothered with a composter right now. Give me 2. Yep. Chest. Hey, hey, hey. And then after we're gonna put slabs on all the places where there's water to prevent like me falling in or something. We also need to fence off all the gates. Where's my bucket? What the heck? Stop losing your stuff. Okay, bucket. Where's this? 4. Okay, yep, that. 2. It's good right now, I think, wait. If this gets wet, I'll expand it a bit. Is it 4 blocks either way? I think it's 4 or 3 blocks each way where it can get wet. Yeah, it's 4. Also, I don't really know. I don't really care, honestly. I go insane for you. I'm throwing hands on. Can you get off my farm? I will kill you. I will kill you and steal your leather. I just clock that this guy could give me leather. He destroyed my piece of grass as well. I'm gonna kill his merchant now unless he gives me something really good for a cheap price. Yeah, you're dying. Die, unk. Wait, did I put my diamond stuff away in the chest? I was supposed to do that. No, I didn't. Of course I didn't. This chest here, diamond. We'll put all of these and call this the end game chest or whatever. I need to get some stairs. This is so long to jump up. What's it called again? Valuable end game stuffs. Yep. Smiley face. No. Yeah. Okay, do we have any seeds, or am I gonna have to go break a bunch of stupid things to get some seeds? Of course I am. I'm gonna go find a flipping field, or just break some grass and hope for the best. Cheers. Come on. One seed. Okay, 3 seeds. I guess that's cool. Nah, still, I feel like definitely do better. Oh, no leaf litter. Oh, come on. This is so long. Ooh. Yeah, that's just an animal I want. It's an animal I'm gonna take. You can get in the pen, mate. Wait, make him a new pen. I have a bunch of. I swear I had spare. Oh, I swear I had spare ones.
Say in the group chat outside.
Go away. Where are the? Give you them. Oh, that. They're right there. I don't know why this guy's following me. Pig boys, leave me alone. Okay. This is all going to be our farming area up here, innit? Make it look that. We need 3 more. Oh, well, 2 more then, I guess. And then we'll make carpets on top instead because they can't jump over carpets. But stay here, lads. I need to make carpets now. So I need like 1, 2. Shut up, I beg. CD. Oh yeah, wait. Chicken. Jack Black and all that. Okay. So now we have 1 chicken and no one else. Because we need to do this. 3, 4, and if we go grab the bone meal, the bone blocks. I got bone blocks because I need a bone meal. These could be used as well because I'm not really going to tame any more flipping animals with this right now. Cool. Okay. Oh my, is that another chicken? Wait. Duh. Like within. Okay, we can use these seeds to breed these chickens as well. Yes, come in. Come join the club. Okay, I need a stair. Sorry. These guys can't climb the flipping things, which is the intention of it, I guess. Plus, I need stairs anyway, but these aren't going to be used in the house. Egg. Anyway, back to my work. Farming. Montage, trust me, I'm not going to speed it up or anything because I don't edit these videos because I like having them basically just the raw footage in it. Okay, now we'll blah blah blah. So on and so forth. Just a few until I get enough seeds to breed again. And then we can replant the seeds. And no spots. Yep, another baby. Child, what is thy problem? Oh, for God's sake. I actually hate children. Don't even have any more seeds. I'd have to just do this. Get in the pen. Chickpea. Owns. More farming. More farming. I'm trying to get a good farm going. Yep, okay. I'm not myself. Oh, my eyes. Ow. Yep. And now we'll go find some animals to get into this pen, which would be sheep. I need sheep specifically because of beds and all that. Okay, flipping pigs. They don't come to this. Cows would be useful actually. Leather. Okay, so it's either cows. We could do both if we're really quick. But it's gonna be a pain in the bum in it. Oh, come on. Yeah, I need to go get some carrots or something. So I'll go on carrots as well for pigs. Pigs are only useful for food. That's their sole purpose. They're one of the most used animals to collect actually. They got nutrient. They got really good food, but like nothing else. Like cows have good food, but you can get leather off them as well. And even easier to collect. There's 2 sheep right here. Bing bang boom. Come here, lads. Get in the pen with me. Oh, come on. You guys are gonna have to swim. And don't jump down the flipping cave, please. Come on, you know you want this sweet wheat. Oh, shoot. If one of them falls down the cave, I'll actually laugh because it'll be hilarious. Well, I won't. I'll be annoyed because I need animals. While I do that, where are my stairs? We'll put the stairs down and then we'll put the... God, these guys are so... 10 hours later. Still coming. Hey. Hey. Hey lads. Way. Mate, we've done so much today. We've done more than we have in any other episodes. We've got animals and stuff. We haven't got any diamonds today, but we'll probably get some later. Oh, Graham. I'm gonna say graham crackers, but I didn't finish our sentence, so basically say graham. Drake, Audrey Graham. Okay. Sugarcane. I need to start replacing all this stupid gravel everywhere. I need gravel anyway for concrete and stuff. I like using concrete for builds. I want to build all the stuff I did in my other world basically. I want to build in the middle of the river there because mobs don't have anywhere to spawn. I can make a mob farm. I also want to turn and then like what else? I want to make a duplicating machine because they're fun to use. Because I'm not cheating. I'm using mechanics in it. Trust. Hey, I ain't doing no. Oh, flip's sake. Hey, I ain't doing illegal activity. I'm just partaking. Alright. Plus, I'm not gonna blow up anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just doing this for fun. Oh, this is the longest episode ever. That's not really. It's like 30 minutes. It's just longer than the usual 30 minutes. And I'm gonna end it after I finish with the sugarcane. Yep. 20. Hey. Okay, how much have I got now? Make sure I fell in the water. I'm gonna start putting planks all over the water as well to stop my sugarcane from falling in. And also give the island a nice little aesthetic, whatever. Hey, full islands. Well, not really, because there's... a jam there. Bing bang boom, done. How much sugarcane have I got left? Oh, I can make some paper. Hey, paper. And then that's the end. Day 8, we are out right now. Now we just need to get some more leather. We have none right now, I'm pretty sure. Yep, none. Like one, we have one. We can make a single buck. Do you know what that means we can make, actually? Okay, that's cool. Look, we can make, if we get 1, 2, 1, 2, what? Oh, 1, 2. If you get, that took me a while. Okay, then. Oh, I don't have any diamonds anymore. God damn it. I don't think anyway. Let me check. I don't think I have any diamonds. Oh, jammed. I truly jammed there, by the way. Okay, cool. We'll get some more next episode. This is the end of this episode. We've actually done quite a lot. We'll continue our base next episode. We'll try and get some more stuff in terms of diamonds, and then we'll get better. So thank you for watching, and have a good day, evening and night, and goodbye. Catch you on the flip side. See ya. Sayonara. Just say a bunch of just goodbye. Au revoir, But